Chad from Bacon Firearms Reviews. So since we've been doing survival rifles all week, I decided to give you guys another option to use for a survival rifle. As you can tell, I did the U.S. Henry survival rifle last time, and that's a semi-auto 22 that comes apart and goes to stock. So this week, I decided to go with something that's a little bit more reliable, single shot, goes boom every time, and you don't have to waste any ammo, and that is Chiappa's Little Badger.
The great thing about this rifle is it's already threaded, so that way you can actually throw a nice suppressor on it. And it screws on there nice and tight, just like that, and now you have something that's pretty silent. Chiappa does offer a pistol grip that's actually designed for this rifle. If you notice, there's the rail right behind the trigger guard. And that rail is there for their attachment for a pistol grip that also acts as a storage for your cleaning kit to clean the rifle, or anything like matches or anything you need that can be stored into the pistol grip.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a nice option for a survival rifle, single shot. You have a 6 feet of rope right here, which is pretty handy for in case you need to tie some branches and make shelter, which is pretty convenient. And also, the suppressor we're using today is provided by Bowman Arms, and it is a Gemtech GM22. And with subsonic, this thing sounds like an air gun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just leave a comment below of any ideas you want in the future. Click like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, like always, have a bacon of a day.